How to change Facebook account in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change your Facebook account on Monopoly Go. If you're already connected to a Facebook account and want to switch, this is a step-by-step guide for you. Currently, we are in the game. When you press go, the dice will roll and your icon will move according to your dice value. To change the Facebook account, you need to tap on three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. After that, a pop-up screen will appear. Tap on Settings, then select Connect Account. From there, you'll see the option to disconnect your Facebook account. Tap on Disconnect to proceed with changing to a new account. If you're not currently connected to a Facebook account, you can enter the details of your Facebook account. If you're already successfully disconnected, you'll have the option to connect another account by entering the new account details. This is how you can change the Facebook account in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.